Hi, it's me, Alberto from NFTs to me. Welcome to this video where I'm going to explain you how to create your own free and customized minting page for your NFT collection. Remember that in the previous video we explained you how to create your NFT collection from generative art and how to upload it to IPFS and then deploy it on the testnet, on the mainnet, which is the same process. And after that, after the collection is deployed, we are going to show you how to create your own minting page, which is like this, and customize it. By default, doing nothing, you get this, which basically shows you your logo, your banner, the price of the collection, total supply, there are no sold tokens yet, and all the NFTs that you can see in here. And you can see as we go down, it increases until we reach the end with infinite scroll. And but we may decide to change some information like this, or we don't want to show the tokens or change the price. How do we do this? Okay, let's go. Generator, dashboard. I shows us all of the projects, all of the deploys for our project, which is Cyber Collection. We press in here, which is the Goerli testnet. It's created on Goerli network on this date, and we've got an overview which show the relevant information. We've got the name, Cyber Collection, symbol, description, creation date, in which block number was it indexed in the blockchain, the contract version, which is upgradable, and the minting page. If we click in here, we go to the minting page, which is the same as this. And some information like the sequential ERC 721, the mint price, metadata xfix, some earning information, total supply, NFT labs, how many we've sold so far, resale royalty, the ownership, which is the NFT that's created for you when you create a collection. And we can even see this on OpenSea. We're clicking here. It says, which is, we can even refresh the metadata to see our collection. It says the owner and the collection. We are the owner. And then the affiliate information. We've got the commission and user discount that we can set up for affiliates. That's not enabled by default, so you can go here and enable if you feel like this. And as set here, this is just an overview. Choose the section for deeper information. We'll do that. We go to collection and minting settings, and we can personalize or customize our own collection URL under this subdomain. Under testnet, we've got the testnet.nfts2.me, but on mainnet there is no .testnet. We can change the slack of the URL and say anything we want with some limitations. For instance, if it's too small, it says it must have a length of 5 or more. So we can say all on cyborgs, and there's no problem with this. Then the name of the collection, we can leave, it's fine. The description of the collection, which is important to have a proper description because it's taken from marketplaces as well as shown in here, the collection. So we can write anything we want the users to know about our collection. For instance, follow me on Twitter, and you want Twitter to be on board, and also to be a link. We say here twitter.com/italic. We've got the logo image, the banner image that we can change in here if we don't like the ones we have, or we want to change because on the face we are of our selling minting page, we prefer to change it. And then the feature image, which is quite interesting if we want to share our collection on social networks, because this is the small image that's shown when someone shares the URL of the minting page. We can change it, but we create one featured image for you. We also have some links. We can say, for instance, my website, the different links for Twitter, Discord, and the showcase, which is the NFTs in here. We can set it to disable if we don't want them to be shown. So then there will be nothing shown in here. And finally, we've got the show widget code that we can use to include a minting widget on our website. Let's say we want it blue with a border, and it shows in here a preview of the widget that we can include on our websites. Now we click on Save Changes, and when they are saved, we're good to go. We click in here. We've got the your minting page with the new information that we set, and we've got also the previous one that is kept. This is the canonical URL and never changes, but this you can change it anytime you want. So we go back and see some more things. The minting fee, let's say that, for instance, you want for the first use of your collection, or the, let's say, early adopters to have a lower fee, and then you want to increase the price. So you could set a different price, but now we are going to do the opposite. We're going to decrease the minting fee. We can update fee, press on confirm. It is updating. After it updates, it will show up in here. It's updating, and we can see that successfully changed mint price to 0.001 ETH. Phase, as said, by default, collections are closed, sales are not active by default. You can see that this is now changed automatically. And why is this? Well, basically for security purposes. Let's say that we create a collection, it's open, and by mistake we put a very low price. Maybe some bots can buy from our collection. We don't want that, so we want to be able to specify when we want to open the sale phase for our collection. So by default it's closed. We can go to whitelist, where users can mint only if they are whitelisted by us. We can even change the price for them, have a different price for the minting pay for the whitelist phase, or upload and CSV. It's everything in here. We can account amount of NFTs to airdrop, or the whitelist. We can have a custom mint fee, custom mint limit. We can choose even to be soulbound NFTs that can't be transferred if they are mint in the whitelist. Or we can even say, okay, for you this will be free minting. Okay, but let's go back and open the phase, update the phase to open. Clicking here, we confirm the transaction. And in the meanwhile, let me explain you that the metadata or placeholder, there's no placeholder as we didn't set up one. So it means the metadata is fixed and no one can change it. It is safely uploaded to IPFS, meaning it is unmodable and can't be changed anymore. So your users can be sure that the NFTs won't be changed over time, they can't be fooled. So that's it. We've got public sale open. It updates automatically. It's open, and we can choose to mint. So here we could even change, say, okay, I want to send to a different wallet, for instance, to Vitalik. We can use ENS domain names. And once it resolves, did I put something wrong? Oh, we haven't connected that wallet, sorry. It says this is the Vitalik address. We could mint to Vitalik, but right now we are minting for ourselves. We could change and mint as many as we want with some limits. Let's say we want to 200, it doesn't let us. And in this case, we are going to mint just, well, for testing purposes. We click on minting. This is the price plus minting fees. Confirm. It's minting. Sending the transaction to the Goerli testnet blockchain. And once the transaction gets included into the blockchain, we see that these two, as we chose sequential minting, these two NFTs will be set as sold, and it says we've got two NFTs from this collection. So we come in here, we can see that they are already minted. We've got from, it means created from scratch to our address. And then these NFTs are now minted. So we can't buy them. And the next available one is this one. It says that we own two NFTs from this collection, and that's it. I'd like also to explain you that if we, instead of using native coin, we use, for instance, USDC, we could have in here the pay with native. I'll show you this in a moment. And you can see this powered by NFTs to me. You can remove it if you want. How to do it? So we could go to the booster packs and see that if we got the booster packs, we can remove, we can have custom domains, unlimited free pro upgrades, batch airdrops, quite a lot of features with some really interesting features, like for instance, reduced sales fee. And we can see here that we've got the pay with native, and if we click on it, we can see that it changes automatically with instead of USDC. So that way, in our collection, we can do the same, and we could offer the option to get the fees or the minting fees in some URC20 coin like USDC, but let the users pay in native coin. The change is done automatically on the background with no interaction from the user, and everything in one transaction, and with very good, the best we find transaction conversion rates. And that's it. Hope you like it, you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, leave a comment below. Press like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.